Guys, here we can see the chicken prawn near the hillside. You know, that's the hillside there. And big trees. It's covered with green colors. The most amazing thing, and that is they're cultivating such kind of vegetables here as curry, spice. You see, you can see here. It's a garlic, but maybe it's hybrid, not like our country domestic garlic. It's so big inside. I don't know whether they sell or they take for their own. Huh? Oh. Here you can see also. Maybe it's a cucumber. I don't know exactly, but it was a cucumber it's making. So, you know that it's a onion. It's a so big size onion. 2 or 3 pieces will be the 1 kilo. And that's on kind of vegetables. You know that they don't cook it. They eat this kind of leaves. Only they will take this leaf with the meat, with the fishes, with the rice, but they don't cook it. It's so delicious also, and it's really so useful for health. And it's, you know, that chili, green chili, and that's a brinjal plants. Brinjal. It's black in color, not round in size. It will be the big size. And there are many kinds of vegetables here. The garlic and the onion. I don't know what it is. It will be also onion. And this is, I don't know, it's pechu. It's pechu. Maybe it is cucumber. Guys, you also know well this plant, it will be the cucumber. It's like that. Maybe this cucumber. Also there is pumpkin. Pumpkin or oh no, it's watermelon. It's not cucumber, watermelon. Here is watermelon. Mustard, pumpkin or cucumber. It's a reddish. No, it's also a reddish. So fat. Peaches will be 1 kilo or 2 kilo. Every week we come here to take the hay. Cheese is really delicious and tasty. That's why we take it with the trees. Beautiful trees. There are 4 or 5 Korean people. He's my friend in South Korea. He's all single. Now I'm gonna talk with you. Hello friends. Till your name. Is 20 years old. 22살이요? 16살. 16살? Ah, he's here because he is only 16 years old, but he looks like 25 years old. But the dog is his friend maybe. Korean people, they're really so sociable with the dogs. Pet animal, just like pet animal, they love it so much. He's feeling shame, that's why I don't want to make video of him. Okay, thank you all. Stay with us and watch our video. subscribe our channel. That will motivate us and encourage us to make another video.